More Than Words TV series. More Than Words is a Philippine television drama romantic comedy series broadcast by GMA Network. Directed by Andoy Ranay, it stars Janine Gutierrez and Elmo Magalona. It premiered on November 17, 2014 on the network's Telebabad. The series concluded on March 6, 2015 with a total of 80 episodes. It was replaced by Pari Koy in its time slot. The series is streaming online on YouTube. Premise: a girl taunted at school her because of her looks and personality, and writer of the online fiction Diary of a Queen Bee, in which she created her dream boy, Hiro. One morning, Ike sees a boy washed ashore, which is the guy she pictured in her online blog. Cast and characters. Lead cast: Janine Gutierrez as Erica Ike Balmores/Katie Perez, Elmo Magalona as Hiro/Juan Sebastian Basti Santillan Roman 3/Junifer Fuentes. Supporting cast: Jacqueline Jose as Presi Balmores, Gardo Versosa as Victor Balboa, Yeo Aguila as Marisa Santillan Balboa, Ray PJ Abelana as Emil Fuentes, Lenny Santos as Rose Vera Fuentes, Enzo Pinda as Nathaniel Nate Alvarez, Stephanie Saul as Isabel Acosta, Mayton Eugenio as Chelsea de Silva, Colin Perez as Molly Rivera, Francis Macul Ignacio as Cristina Acosta, Joe Baracho as Francis Acosta, McCoy Morales as Chester Balboa, Ryan Benedict as Elvis Emerson. Guest cast: Nathalie Hart as young Pressy, Juancho Trevino as young Victor, Ernie Zarate, Kylie Padilla as Roxanne/Katie, Kiko Estrada as Philip, Binin as Heidelin Balboa. Ratings. According to AGB Nielsen Philippines Mega Manila Household Television Ratings, the pilot episode of More Than Words earned a 21.6% rating, while the final episode scored a 19.1% rating. The series had its highest rating on January 13, 2015 with a 22.2% rating.